The controversial law in Texas banning so-called sanctuary cities faces resistance from law enforcement officials across the state. Governor Greg Abbott signed the measure known as SB 4 on Sunday. Police and local officials could face $25,000 fines or jail time if they don't help enforce U.S. immigration law. David Begnaud spoke with the Travis County Sheriff, who was singled out by the governor when he signed the law. David, good morning.
Charlie, good morning. The law goes into effect September 1st. Let me tell you how it all got started. You have this new sheriff in Travis County who came into office and said, I don't have the resources to enforce federal immigration law all the time, so I'm not. And the governor of Texas said, really? You better, or I'm going to take away some state funding, and we're going to pass a law that could jail you or remove you from office. Well, the sheriff didn't flinch, and the governor made good on his word.
I think it's bad for our community.
In Austin, Texas, Travis County Sheriff Sally Hernandez says SB 4 hurts her deputies' ability to fight crime.
We have witnesses that are undocumented that see a crime, but they're not going to feel comfortable coming forward.
But Governor Greg Abbott says police cannot pick and choose which laws they want to enforce. He believes SB 4 will keep criminals off the street.
This law cracks down on policies like the Travis County Sheriff, who declared that she would not detain known criminals accused of violent crimes.
Misinformation based on fear. I honor detainers for the more violent crimes.
Like rape and murder.
Right.
Many Texas sheriffs and police chiefs oppose the new law, saying they don't have the resources to enforce federal immigration law. They also fear that SB 4, which allows officers to ask crime victims or witnesses their immigration status, could lead to racial profiling.
I think you will see lawsuits from the different organizations where individuals may feel they're being targeted.
SB 4 has been compared to Arizona's so-called Show Your Papers law, which sparked protests and boycotts in 2010 before it was largely struck down by a federal court. And Sheriff Hernandez hopes SB 4 dies the same way.
Right.
If the law goes into effect, what are you going to do?
I will have to change my policy because I will not violate the law.
So the ACLU has put out a travel advisory telling people not to come to Texas because of the new law. Norah, yesterday the state of Texas filed something of a preemptive strike. The Attorney General went to court and sued the city of Austin. He's trying to get a judge to declare this new law constitutional, essentially trying to shut down any further lawsuits against the law.
Quite a story, David. Thank you so much.